Hi and welcome to this video. In this video we are going to cover the most important aspect of the teacher's profile in AEC. This is the login window. Your username and password will be informed by the educational manager or your administrator. In the first box, type your username. And in the password box, enter your access password. Once you have completed the corresponding fields, click on Enter. Let's see your account properties. In My Account option, you can make adjustments for your AEC account. To access your account options, click on your name, located on the upper right corner of your screen. Let's see the preferences. You can choose the language of your choice to interact with AEC. Minutes of inactivity for automatic disconnection. It is the time that AEC will take to close the user session automatically. Email signature. You can specify your email signature in this field. That signature will be automatically added to every email you send. Changing your password. To change your access password, after clicking on your name, click on Change My Password. The password change window will appear. Enter your new password in the first box and confirm it in the second one. Click on Confirm button after completion. Logout. If you want to close the session and do not work at the moment in AEC, we recommend you to exit the user. For doing this, click on the Logout option. Classes module. The Classes module is found in the main AEC menu and contains three sub-menus: Group, Private, Corporate. Group are courses planned for general public. Private are custom courses, individual or for small groups. Corporate are courses for companies and institutions. This is the list of courses. Classes module also has a filter bar. You can use filters by refine the search for a course and filter them by period, age, level, category, subject, and center. By clicking on the options box of each of the filters, you will have access to a drop-down menu in which you can select according to your search. This is the search bar. If you have been assigned many courses, you can use the filters or the search function to find a course easily. Clicking on More Options button, located below the filter bar, will add two extra filters to refine your search. The options are Format and Learning Rate. As seen before, you can print or export the course list. Click on the year icon located at the right end of the course list columns. From the menu that appears, choose the desired option. To access the details of a class, click on the name. A window like this one will be shown below, and the class file will be opened. The Class Detail tab. Here's the general information of the class: name, code of the class, age, group, category, level, and class schedules. The Class Detail tab is subdivided into three sections: General Information, Class Schedule, and Class Validity Date. The General Information section is meant to identify and contain basic information about the class. Class Schedules. In this section, you will be able to view the details of schedules of the select classes. You can see details such as days, teacher, classroom, start date, end date, among other details. Class Date of Validity. In this section, you will be able to view information about the start of the class registration, the end date of the promotion, and the final date of registration. This is the Session tab. This tab shows the schedule of the sessions. This is the calendar of sessions. You will be able to visualize the corresponding days you are assigned in the calendar and the details of the sessions. take a look at the other options of the Session tab. The next tab is Enrolled Students. Here you have access to the list of students enrolled in the class. In this tab, you can see the educational history of the students. Let's see the Grades Obtained tab. In order to complete student grades, a grade template must be assigned to the class. To find out how, we recommend consulting our online help. Let's learn how to assign notes. This is the Assign Notes button. To assign the notes, please follow these steps. Click on the Fill in Grades or Modify Grades button as required. Complete each student's grade and, if applicable, the comments column. Totals are calculated automatically after clicking on Accept. Let's see the Assessment tab. This tab is very similar to Grades Obtained tab, where you can evaluate the progress of the student. Let's see the Follow-up Schedule tab. Here, you can complete the attendance, absences, and the delay for students for each session. You can also print the list. By clicking on the Print Attendance Grid button, the options box will be displayed. Let's see the Pedagogical Follow-Up tab. This tab allows you to enter comments for each session. The fields are configured by the administrator. Titles may vary and fields may or may not be visible to students from the extranet. Let's see the exam module. With the module exams, you will have access to the exams. You will be able to see the general information with level and schedules. This is the list of exams. You can use the filter bar and search. It will allow you to locate a specific exam. You can filter by date, period, location, classification, and other options. As seen before, you can print or export the exam list. To print the exam list, click on the year icon located on the right outside of the list. From the menu that appears, choose the desired option. Let's see the Schedule module. This tab allows you to access your weekly schedule and view the classes assigned to you, as well as related information. Here you can see the occupation of classrooms, where you can click on day, week, or today to better view. The same way if we click on teacher and level, and you can enter your availability. Let's see how you can book a classroom. You can reserve a classroom for an activity, meeting, or any other reason. By clicking on Classroom Reservation of the Schedule module, you must complete the box that appears with information about center, classroom to reserve, add private file, reason for reservation, and date and time. After completing the requested information, click on Save. After clicking on My Hours option, you will see two tabs named Hours Taught by Day and Hours Taught by Class. Let's see the windows of Hour Taught by Day. Here you can see the filter bar, where you can filter the information by date, location, start, category, type of hour, and so on. Below you can see the information related to teacher, details about a class, date, start, and hours, and so on. If you click on the Hours of Courses per Day tab, you can see the details of the hours taught organized by day. And if you click on the Hours Taught by Course tab, you can see the details of the hours taught organized by course. When you click on the Hours Count button located at the upper right of the My Hours window, it will open a window to print the total hours count selected through the filter options. This is the filter bar. The filter bar allows you to display specific information in the list of hours taught. You can filter by date, category, type, location, among other options. The results are updated instantly in the list. You can print or export the list of hours taught to Microsoft Excel by following these steps. Click on the year icon located at the far right of the list. Click on the desired option, either print the list or export to Excel. Help module. It allows you to access the software's online help with one click. Support module. You can contact the support team if you need to create a request for assistance. Thank you very much for watching this video. Remember to contact us if you have any question.